Hey guys, it's Taylor and my dad here, and today
Hi.
we're going to, he's going to pick me a toy to open, and I'm going to pick him a toy to open, so let's get started. You pick one
And
for
these are
me
your
first.
Christmas presents?
And these are my Christmas presents.
Thank you. I'm glad you waited to open them so we can make a video.
I cannot wait to open them.
Alright, I'll pick one first.
Yeah, for me.
Alright, I'm going to pick... that one. LOL. Yeah, rip it open.
Put it on the
Throw
floor.
it on the floor.
Oh, there's tape on it. Get off from the tape. Okay, get it right there. Ow. No. Got my spyglass.
For what?
I got my spyglass.
There you go.
Cut that off. What? We're not opening that, guys. Oh, I see. That one looks easy. Down there where it might work. Got some more, of course. Whoop. And there we go. Found one. There we go. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, dum, dum. Dum, dum, dum. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, dum, dum. Dum, dum, dum. Thanks. I know already the secret clues. Wait.
Hold it right there. Now cut it.
And this part is easy. And
Now
it's
you
like
got it?
that. When it's like that, yeah, it's easy. And it's like this. Put it up.
Here.
Oh, thanks a lot. Okay.
They make this stuff hard, don't they?
Yep. Why do they make it so hard? Thanks. I see the secret clues, but I know them all. We got a mermaid. Not right. Sweet and sour.
Is
No.
that a code?
Yep.
How do you know
Fire.
the code?
Snippet. Because I looked at it before and I opened one of these before. Drown. Nope. Sun, rain.
I mean, is there a code that was on the thing or something?
Piece in
There you go.
Wow. Her head. Ooh,
Ooh.
look at her.
Is that a mermaid?
Yeah. Now let's get her body. So she don't have to walk like that anymore because she don't have a body without her head.
Uh-huh.
There we go. So now let's see what's that. What? Where did that go? I don't see anything, guys. Oh, that one, I didn't see anything else. What? No. What was
Nope,
it?
about that. What is this thing?
It's a capsule.
What are they doing there?
And they sit in there until you open it.
Oh.
I
Like
need
time
to see
capsule?
that. Yep. I forgot to show you her. And I got some glasses.
Oh, wow.
And I'll put them right
All
there.
right, let's go to the next one. What are you gonna pick?
Okay.
The next toy?
Yeah.
What do you want to pick? Yeah, I'll close it. I got it.
We'll open the rest of that part later. Put that over too. Now it's his turn, so I'm gonna pick one for him. I'm gonna choose this one.
Oh, a little fish.
No, that's Pascal.
Is that Pascal?
Yep, I thought you would like that
Oh,
one.
it is Pascal. I love Pascal.
Show him.
From
Show him
Rapunzel.
to them.
Hello, Pascal. Hello.
Just take out the tag. Take out the tag.
You look like her. Give me a kiss.
I'm not her.
All right, my turn.
Pick one for me now.
All right. Num-nums.
Okay. That's stuck to me. Gotta poke a hole in
I got it.
it. Yay. Woo, I got the list. That's not for the rest. It looks like I have this yellow guy right here.
Mm-hmm. What is it, a cake?
Yep, it's a cake and it smells like lemon.
Oh.
And I have this blue one right here and it looks like an ice cream scoop.
And an ice cream scoop.
It smells like peppermint.
Mmm.
I have a chocolate fudge cake
Mm-hmm.
and it smells like chocolate.
You smell it. Mm-hmm.
Have this pink ice cream scoop and it smells like watermelon.
Let me see it.
What was that, guys?
Mmm.
I have another chocolate fudge cake, but it's a red. Actually, it's a strawberry ice cream, and it smells like strawberry.
Ice cream with chocolate on it. Mmm.
Then I have a purple ice cream scoop, and it smells like.
What's that purple stuff
It
on it?
smells like grape, and it looks like some grape fudge.
Some grape sauce? Let me smell. Oh, yeah. It's like a scratching sniff.
And then I